Hello, and welcome to this training course on list building. If you're looking to build a long-term business that is profitable for years to come, then this is exactly the training you need. Basically, list building is the lifeblood of business success for anyone who is doing any kind of internet marketing. But it's also the area that most people struggle with the most. The problem with list building is that everybody wants a big list and focuses only on getting more subscribers onto their list. But let's actually take a look at what a big list really is. So what do you think a big, successful email list actually looks like? Is it A, a list of 100,000 people, B, a list of 20,000 people, C, a list of 500 people, D, the size of the list is actually the least important factor? If you picked D, you're already ahead of the game. Here's the truth about list building. Size does not matter. There are marketers out there with lists of 20,000 and 30,000 subscribers who will consistently get hundreds of sales from each promotional mailing, whereas others who have lists of well over 100,000 subscribers can barely make 10 sales. How could this be? Why does this happen? It is because those successful list builders understand big lists differently than the people with 100,000 subscribers. That difference in their understanding allows them to treat their subscribers just a little bit differently. It shifts how they market to the people they are communicating with. In short, successful list builders focus on influence, not numbers. Influence is the real marker of success. When we talk about influence as it pertains to list building, what we mean is, are your subscribers reading your emails? Do they act on what you suggest? Do they care at all when your emails hit their box? Do they have credit cards and use them when you tell them to? If you have influence with your followers, a list of 500 people can be more successful than that 100,000 subscriber guy who simply hammers his subscribers with offer after offer after offer. If they check their open rates, it's going to be pretty clear that very few subscribers are actually opening their emails. What they are doing isn't marketing. They are simply throwing out spam and waiting to see what sticks, even though it's spam with permission. Real marketers are aware that the biggest key to successful list building isn't the size of the list, but the influence they have on that list. More specifically, it's the ability to continually provide solutions to problems their customers have. They are focused 100% in making sure every word they say or write to their customers is geared towards benefiting their customers in some way. They are not resorting to hard sales tactics. They know that hard selling makes people tune them out. It makes people run. It makes them sound just a little bit sleazy. People aren't stupid. Most marketers are just out to make a quick buck. They are hoping to press a button, send an email to 50,000 people, and walk away with $20,000 the next morning. It doesn't work that way. You have to make a connection each time you communicate with your subscribers. You have to like them and make them like you. The way you do that is by giving away helpful, informative, valuable content that actually solves your subscribers' problems. This is the whole goal of everything you are doing. The people who subscribe to your list do so because they want information. So you need to find a way to earn their trust by giving them the high-value information they are looking for so you can sell to them in the future. In addition, you've got to keep yourself at the top of their mind. Otherwise, when they are ready to buy, they are going to go looking for other solutions, spot another website, and buy from someone else. You've likely heard this before. Most customers require 7 to 12 exposures to your product or services before they're going to bother to make a purchase. They're going to need to hear from you perhaps a dozen times before they're going to take out that credit card for you. They need this much exposure, of course, because they do not trust you yet. When your focus shifts from trying to make sales with each email you send to actually trying to build trust and create a connection with your subscribers, what you're going to do is blow your sales numbers out of the water. So focus on providing value, providing solutions to your subscribers rather than just milking them for dollars.